Did you know that our current energy system wastes nearly 2/3 of all energy generated? Imagine how much we could save with a more efficient, sustainable approach. Today, we'll dive into why the global energy system is so inefficient, what's holding it back, and how the transition to renewables can transform our future. Let's explore a cleaner, smarter energy system together. Today, around 2/3 of global primary energy is lost in the conversion process, especially as waste heat from fossil fuel power plants and transportation. Essentially, we are losing more energy than we use. Around 67% of the world's energy input is lost in the form of heat. Fossil fuel power plants burn fuel, which creates CO2 and produces large amounts of waste heat that can't be harnessed. Critics of the energy transition often point to global primary energy demand and claim that renewable energy contributes only a small fraction, making the transition seem impossible. This is misleading and is what we call the primary energy fallacy. Primary energy charts measure total energy input, including waste. We don't need to replace all that input, we only need to replace the useful energy that delivers services. The future energy system will be radically different, designed to deliver the same energy services and more, using much less primary energy. This shift relies on key principles: electrification, energy efficiency, demand-side flexibility, and reusing unavoidable waste heat. Energy efficiency improvements alone could reduce energy needs by up to 30% globally. Switching to electric heating and EVs can cut energy waste by delivering services with less energy loss. Electrification is the backbone of this shift, making it easier to control, store, and efficiently use energy from renewables. By electrifying sectors like transportation and heating, we can reduce the need for primary energy. Electric cars convert up to 85% of their energy to movement, compared to only 20 to 30% in gasoline cars. Increasing energy efficiency not only saves resources but also lowers emissions significantly. Renewable sources like wind and solar offer clean electricity without burning fuel. While no energy system is perfectly efficient, renewables use limitless resources, sunlight and wind, which don't have to be dug out of the ground at high environmental costs. In 2022, renewable energy provided more than 28% of global electricity. Wind turbines and solar panels may not be 100% efficient, but they harness free and abundant energy. Future energy systems will need to be flexible, adjusting demand to match supply, especially for intermittent renewables. Additionally, by reusing waste heat where it's unavoidable, we can minimize overall energy losses. Cities like Copenhagen have district heating systems that use waste heat from industry to warm homes. Demand-side flexibility and waste heat recovery are powerful tools for maximizing renewable energy usage. Our current energy system is inefficient, but change is already in motion. By embracing electrification, energy efficiency, and renewables, we are moving toward a cleaner, smarter future. The next time someone tells you the energy transition isn't possible, remember that a better energy system is not only achievable but essential. If you found this video insightful, like, subscribe, and share to spread the word on a sustainable future.